Today, I shall discuss about measurement of GFR. GFR measurement is by some substances that are freely filtered in the glomerulus but are not reabsorbed or secreted by the tubule. Inulin, a fructose polymer, molecular weight 5000 Dalton, is mainly used for the measurement of GFR as an external agent. The mass of inulin excreted time equals to mass of inulin filtered time. So, here we see inulin urinary concentration, that is U in, into V urinary volume equals to PIN, means plasma inulin concentration, into GFR, and C in is clearance of inulin. Now, what is clearance of a substance? It is the virtual volume of plasma cleared off from a substance per unit time. So, inulin clearance equals to urinary inulin concentration into urinary volume divided by plasma inulin concentration. And we know from this above equation that UINV divided by PIN equals to GFR. So, inulin clearance is equals to GFR. Now, creatinine clearance. But before that, I shall say also inulin is the prototype substance for measurement of GFR. Other substances are also used for measurement of glomerular filtration rate. They are mannitol and iothalamate. But creatinine is used for measurement of GFR in clinical practice because it is an endogenous substance. So, we are not to use any external substance for the measurement of GFR. So, creatinine is preferred generally. It is an organic base formed during muscle protein metabolism as a degradation product of creatinine phosphate. Creatinine is filtered by glomerulus and also secreted in proximal convoluted tubule, and the secretory amount, the amount of secretion is 10 to 15% of filtered amount. And so, there should be an erroneous result of glomerular filtration rate measurement by using creatinine clearance. But practically, it does not happen because the measured plasma concentration of creatinine also shows inappropriately increased values due to the presence of non-specific chromogen. Thus, the two errors cancel each other and creatinine clearance unchanged. So, here we see urinary creatinine concentration into urine volume into plasma creatinine concentration into GFR is equal, and creatinine clearance as same calculation as we have seen in the inulin, that creatinine clearance is equals to GFR. But here is an important thing: 24 hours urine collection is necessary for measurement of urinary creatinine concentration and volume measurement. But failure to collect 24-hour urines leads to erroneous result of creatinine clearance. And for that reason, two formulas are used for creatinine clearance measurement. Formula 1 is creatinine clearance equals to 140 minus age in years and body weight in kg divided by 72 into plasma creatinine concentration. This is the formula. But in pregnancy, extreme obesity or disease that causes muscular wasting, and in case of children, the above formula is not applicable. So another formula is developed, that is creatinine clearance equals to 0.55 into length in centimeter divided by plasma creatinine concentration. So in steady state, urinary creatinine into volume equals to plasma creatinine concentration, and creatinine clearance equals to plasma creatinine concentration into GFR, and that is constant. So this is the technique of glomerular filtration rate measurement by inulin and creatinine. Thank you everyone.